Do you find flying uncomfortable? Well, you're not alone. Many of us do. But what if I told you that flying doesn't have to be a dreadful experience? That's right. Today we'll delve into the topic of making flying more comfortable. Because let's face it, comfort during flights, especially long ones, is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. It can be the difference between a tiresome journey and a relaxing one. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time flyer, comfort during your flight can drastically enhance your travel experience. And hey, who doesn't want that? So, get ready to transform your flying experience. In the coming moments, we're going to explore the top 10 ways to make your next flight the most comfortable one yet. From choosing your seat wisely to practicing deep breathing, we've got you covered. Discover the top 10 ways to make your next flight the most comfortable one yet. Firstly, ensure to choose your seat wisely. It's not just about claiming a spot on the plane, it's about strategizing for comfort. Your choice of seat can significantly impact your flying experience. If you're someone who likes to stretch out, an aisle seat might be your best bet. It offers a bit more legroom and the freedom to get up and move around without disturbing your fellow passengers. On the other hand, if you're after views or a wall to lean against for some sleep, a window seat could be your ticket to comfort. It offers the luxury of a splendid view, a wall for support, and controls over the window shade. The key is to consider your needs and preferences when choosing. Are you planning to sleep? Do you want to avoid disturbance? Or maybe you just want to enjoy the view? So remember to choose your seat according to your comfort preferences. Dressing comfortably is the second key to a pleasant flight. Remember, your outfit can be your best friend or your worst enemy when you're soaring high in the sky. Just imagine being stuck in a tight pair of jeans or a stiff shirt for several hours. Not a pretty picture, is it? So here's the deal. Opt for loose, breathable fabrics. Think cotton t-shirts, leggings, or soft joggers. And don't forget about your feet. Swap those stylish but oh-so uncomfortable shoes for a pair of cozy socks or lightweight sneakers. They'll thank you later. Now let's talk layers. Airplane cabins are notorious for their unpredictable temperatures. One minute it's a desert, the next it's the Arctic. So dressing in layers is your ticket to comfort. Start with a light base, add a warm sweater, and top it off with a lightweight jacket or scarf. Dress for comfort, not for style when flying. After all, the goal is to arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and relaxed, not worn out and wrinkled. Bring your favorite snacks. We all know that food can be a great comfort, especially when we're high above the clouds. Packing your own snacks allows you to have control over what you're eating and when. You're not left at the mercy of the airline's meal schedule or limited options. Plus, let's face it, airplane food doesn't always hit the spot. Having snacks on hand can also help keep hunger at bay during long flights. This could be anything from a handful of almonds, a protein bar, or even a small bag of your favorite chips. Just remember to consider your fellow passengers when choosing your snacks. Avoid anything too smelly or messy. Also, we all know how overpriced food can be at airports and on the flight. Bringing your own snacks can save you a few bucks, which is always a bonus. So next time you're getting ready to fly, think about packing a little snack bag. Packing your own snacks can make your flight much more enjoyable. Stay hydrated. That's one of the golden rules for comfortable flying. Now you might think, I'm sitting, not running a marathon. Why do I need to drink so much water? Well, the answer lies in the air. Cabin air is incredibly dry, often with a humidity level of less than 20%. This can lead to dehydration, causing symptoms like dry skin, dry eyes, fatigue, and even headaches. Staying hydrated helps your body to combat this dry environment. It keeps your skin moisturized, helps maintain your energy levels, and can even aid in digestion while up in the air. So how much water is enough? Well, it's recommended to drink at least 1 glass of water for every hour you're in the air. That's right, every hour. And remember, alcohol and caffeine can dehydrate you, so balance them out with even more water. In the clouds, your best companion is a water bottle. Always have a water bottle handy. Don't forget to move around. It's easy to become a statue in your seat during flights, but standing and walking can work wonders in preventing stiffness and swelling. Trust me, your body will thank you later. A little stroll to the restroom or just stretching your legs under the seat in front of you can make a significant difference. It's not a marathon, just small, mindful movements. And if you're enjoying this content so far, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So make sure to stretch and move around every once in a while. Entertainment is key. As we journey through the clouds, it's essential to have something that keeps us engaged. Be it a riveting novel, an exciting movie, or a captivating game, These can significantly enhance your flight experience. They can help the time fly by, pun intended, and make your journey more enjoyable. So, next time you're packing, don't forget to bring along your favorite form of entertainment. Remember, your entertainment can make a big difference in your flight experience. Make use of noise-canceling headphones. These are a traveler's best friend, offering a serene escape from the rumble of jet engines and chatter of fellow passengers. They work by creating an anti-noise sound wave that cancels out the background noise around you. This allows you to enjoy your favorite tunes, catch up on a podcast, or simply rest in a quiet personal space. Remember, it's not about blocking out the world entirely, but creating a peaceful journey. Invest in a good pair of noise-canceling headphones for a peaceful journey. Comfort is key, so bring a neck pillow and blanket. A neck pillow provides crucial support, preventing any unwanted cricks or strains during your flight. It's your personal cloud of comfort in the sky. A blanket, on the other hand, is your shield against the often chilly cabin temperatures. Wrap yourself in its warmth for an added layer of coziness. These two travel companions are compact, lightweight, and can make all the difference in your flying experience. Don't forget your neck pillow and blanket the next time you fly. Try to follow a sleep schedule. It's easier said than done, especially when you're crossing multiple time zones. However, adjusting your sleep schedule to align with the time zone of your destination can significantly minimize the impact of jet lag. Imagine you're flying from New York to London. There's a 5-hour difference. If you can start shifting your sleep schedule a few days before your trip, you're giving your body a head start in adjusting to the new time zone. Waking up earlier or going to bed later might feel a bit strange at first, but it's all part of the process. Remember, it's not just about the time you sleep, but also the quality of your sleep. Make sure to create a comfortable sleep environment. This might mean using an eye mask, earplugs, or even a travel-sized white noise machine. A sleep schedule can help your body adjust and make your flight more comfortable. Remember, the journey should be just as enjoyable as the destination. Now, isn't that a comforting thought? Finally, practice deep breathing. This technique is as simple as it sounds, but it holds the power to transform your flight experience. Deep breathing exercises are a proven method to reduce stress and anxiety, a common companion for many when they are up in the air. By focusing on your breath, you allow your mind to shift away from any discomfort or restlessness you might be feeling. It's all about inhaling deeply, holding your breath for a moment, and then exhaling slowly. Repeat this process to create a rhythm that your body can sync with. And the beauty of deep breathing? It doesn't require any special equipment or space. You can practice it right in your seat, whether you're seated by the window or in the middle row. So next time you're flying, give deep breathing a chance. It might just become your new favorite travel companion. Remember, deep breathing can help you relax and enjoy your flight. So those were the top 10 ways to make flying more comfortable. From selecting the perfect seat to dressing in layers, we've covered a range of strategies to enhance your travel experience. Remember, a well-stocked snack bag can be a lifesaver, and staying hydrated is key. Don't forget to get up and stretch during longer flights, and keep yourself entertained with books, music, or movies. Noise-canceling headphones, a cozy neck pillow and blanket, and a well-planned sleep schedule can further elevate your comfort. And finally, when all else fails, practice deep breathing to keep stress at bay. Flying doesn't have to be a chore. With these tips, you can transform it into an enjoyable part of your journey. Because after all, comfort during flights is not a luxury, it's a necessity. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.